I needed to bring every single one of these items on my trip, and I couldn't fit it in the suitcase, but it's okay because I have a solution. I am going to use Take Off Luggage's vacuum seal bags and mini pump. This way I can fit it all. I determined that I would be able to use 2 bags for all the amount of clothes that I have. I start by folding them and gently placing them into the bag, kind of stacking them on each other. Completely pack it, and it is ready to be zipped up and vacuum sealed. Untwist the cap, then twist off the air pump. Just put it directly on top, double click on the top, and boom, it is going. I'm gently pressing down to help release any air that is inside. Once it is completely air-free, you just press the top and take it off, screw the cap on, and you are done. Next bag is up, and I'm doing this one a little bit differently. I noticed that I needed a flatter side, and so I rolled the other side. This way, when I go to stack it into the luggage, it's going to kind of fit like Tetris. Once again, removing the air, pressing down to make sure there's any excess air that's helping to come out. Take it off, screw the cap on, and now we are ready to pack both bags. Specifically laid the first one like that so that this one, when I turned it over, it had a thicker part where the flatter side of the other bag was. The other 2 items that I put in there, I needed to grab and have on hand, making sure to pack it with me so that on the way home, I can do the same thing over again. Before I officially pack everything up, I must show you that this has a built-in light as well, a distress signal in case of emergencies. Everything fits so wonderfully, and I have maximized my space in my personal item, and I am just ready for a vacation now.